Welcome to Online Shopping 77. Today we're reviewing one of Amazon's top-rated kitchen products, the COSORI Pro II air fryer. If you're thinking about switching to healthier cooking, or if you're just tired of oily mess in the kitchen, then this product might be exactly what you need. Let's begin with what you get right out of the box. The packaging is well protected, and inside you'll find the main air fryer unit, a non-stick fry basket, a detailed instruction manual, and a recipe book with over 100 air fryer ideas. The first impression? It feels premium, solid, and built to last. The design is sleek and minimalistic. It fits nicely on the kitchen counter and doesn't take too much space. The matte black finish gives it a modern touch, and the digital touchscreen is very responsive. It has a 5.8 quart capacity, which is large enough to cook food for up to 5 people. Whether you're preparing dinner for your family or cooking snacks for guests, this size is perfect. One of the highlights of this air fryer is the 12 cooking preset. From fries and chicken to steak, shrimp, bacon, vegetables, and even cake. It's all here. No need to guess the time or temperature. Just select the preset and it automatically sets the optimal setting. It also has a shake reminder feature, so you don't forget to stir or flip your food halfway through. Let's talk about performance. I tested it with frozen French fries first. I tossed in a handful of fries, selected the preset, and within 15 minutes they came out perfectly golden and crispy, and with zero oil. Then I tried chicken wings, a bit of seasoning, a light spray of oil, and 20 minutes later, they were juicy and perfectly crisp. The best part? No greasy mess. Operating it is super simple. You plug it in, choose your cooking option on the digital display, set your time and temperature, and hit start. That's it. The touch panel lights up clearly, and it's very beginner-friendly. Anyone can use it without needing any experience. Cleaning is also easy. The non-stick basket is removable and completely dishwasher safe. After cooking, I simply pulled it out, rinsed it under water, and popped it in the dishwasher. No scrubbing, no hassle. Now let's talk about the good and the not so good. The positives are many. It's fast, powerful, energy efficient, and significantly healthier than traditional deep frying. You save time, reduce oil, and still enjoy delicious food. The build quality is excellent. The controls are intuitive, and the performance is consistent. But there are a couple of small downsides too. The biggest one for me is that it doesn't have a window to see your food while it's cooking. You have to open the basket to check. And yes, while it's compact for its power, it still takes some counter space. Let's look at what people on Amazon are saying. This product has over 35,000 ratings with an average of 4.7 stars. One user mentioned that they stopped using their microwave and oven ever since they got this air fryer. Another said it helped them switch to healthy eating without feeling like they're giving up on taste. These reviews reflect what I also felt after using it. So the final question, should you buy it? If you want to cook faster, eat healthier, and reduce kitchen mess, then yes, this air fryer is absolutely worth buying. It's perfect for families, students, working professionals, or anyone who wants good food with less effort. If you're interested, I've added the Amazon link to this product in the description below. You can click the link, check today's price, and order it directly from Amazon. It's safe, secure, and ships fast. And yes, it's an affiliate link, so if you do make a purchase through it, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support this channel so I can continue bringing more honest reviews. Thanks for watching Online Shopping 77. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want me to review any specific product next time. Happy shopping and happy cooking!